Well, good morning viewers, welcome back to the channel. This is Wednesday and this is day trip day. I'm actually going get a coach, going out to Las Cristianas and then across to La Gomera. I'm going to take you along with us, see what today's antics bring and see what the trip's like. See if it's well worth the hype it's getting at the moment. Right, we're going to be going up and getting a coach from outside the sun wing. It's pretty quiet out this morning, and let's have a look. 7:30 in the morning. All the deliveries are happening. Yep, very quiet. We had a good night last night, and quite a few pink gins, may I say. So she's a bit tender this morning. How you feeling, Nep? So. Some wing. It's outside one Princess Hotel. Apparently she'll be going to get picked up. You can tell it's going to be a nice day. The sun's just trying to come up over those hills over there, over the mountains, and basically just let you know where we are. There's a few shops over there. Yeah, a few supplies hampered down off, but just over, we put you there, just over here is where you get the bus to Scion Park, the free bus. Anyway, yeah, this is a Princess Inspire Tenerife. Apparently next is this is where we get picked up, so let's wait and see what happens. Viewers, people coming out and joining the queue now. It's a bit worrying wearing shorts and t-shirts and other people have got coats on trousers. A bit worrying that is. That's us on the coach now. Just picked us up outside the hotel and onward to La Gomera. We're going to get the ferry. I think it's Las Cristianas, we get the ferry, the Fred Oulson ferry. What we'll do at the end of this video, we'll let you know what this trip cost us. I think we must be collecting more people. We'll come off the bypass, so I think we're still in, we're towards Las Americas. Oh yeah, we're collecting more people. You should imagine we end up with a massive coach full. So we'll see what happens. Just for the viewers as well, if you do decide to book this excursion to La Gomera on the ferry, don't forget to take your passports or you won't get on that ferry. Just the heads up. I have noticed we've come with shorts and t-shirts on, and so a lot of people getting on the coach with jackets on. Odd. Let's see what happens. The art centre. Just arrived at the port in Las Cristianas. Got our tickets now. We're going to get on the ferry by foot and then get a coach at La Gomera. When we get on the ferry, I'll fire the video camera back up again. I'm walking down towards the ferry now. I'm going to get on board. We just made our lunch selection and the fish or beef. a different vlog this. Looking forward to it actually. Pretty busy. So then we get on now, disembarking, so we'll be getting on as foot passengers. We'll get on a bus, a coach at the other end when we get off. I think this must be the waiting room, as you call it, the departure lounge. We're in the queue now, went to get on the ferry, spin you around, and there's a Fred Oulson. Well, that's us on the ferry. We've got some bird's eye view at the front. Spin it around. Ooh, there's a net. Right. Spin it around. We'll go outside and we'll have a look. Food area, beverages, loads of seats here, loads of seats. Let's go outside and get a picture. There we go, there's Las Cristianas beach. Very strong smell of salt. You see that's the Ragnarok, the Viking boat. That's a trip we've been on, covered on a different vlog, but it's a really good day out on that boat. You take you out, go see all the pilot whales and the dolphins, and get some good entertainment on there as well some beverages. See the sun's it's a bit hazy today, so I'm hoping that sun will get rid of all the cloud and all, but it seems I think it's a bit cleaner, I think. Those apartments up there in the background, in the distance. Some good views of the other Las Cristianas and the harbour. Can't believe the size of this ferry. Actually, it's a pretty big ferry actually. This. We're boarding, and there's a couple of OEPs and 3-4 of them had went to get on the ship. They got a ticket, but they've not got a passport. Anyway, the guy just opened the barrier and said, "No passport," and it went. And that was it. They have to get off, get out of the queue. Oh, there's some of these paddle boards out here now. Early morning paddle boarders. Quick walk down here. This must that's going down to the area where the cars are. What I will do is when we set off, I will do a vlog of the rest of the boat, so you can see exactly what we've got. Anyway, back to the seats, I think. The lads serving drinks, beverages, hot food. Got to a seat at the front as well. What a bonza seat this is.
That this trip owes points to our Carrera Plus program, which you can exchange for trips, stays at hotel cabins and dinner, or products from our shop. International maritime safety standards. They can be
Shop there.
while we briefly explain
Take it out the back, I think.
safety regulations on board. The safety instruction indications
Now have a look. Give us the back.
And our onboard activity system. It shows the emergency exits, informs you about signs you must
Cheeky bacon butt, I think.
and how to join your life
Oh,
jacket.
zero.
You will also find the accessibility plans of the ship, which shows the enabled
So we get out the back.
exits and the available services on board. In case of a query,
These are bigger seats. Wider seats. The blue ones, pretty big. But a bit, I thought it was quiet. The seas, it's a bit choppy. I don't think I'll be carrying a coffee or anything back from the back of the ship to the front.
Your life jacket is located under your
So look now.
and contains the safety.
Go out the back door. A bit windy. Not too windy. Have a look.
By pushing the two cards.
This is outdoor seating. Have a look now. Look. A bit windy. Yeah, to say the least, but hey, it's alright. Big good day this. Something different anyway. See Las Cristianas in the background there. I think this trip's about 50-55 minutes. But we're going to hire a boat tomorrow. And I was thinking about going out this way, but I don't want to come across a Fred Oulson ferry with my little boat tomorrow. So I think we'll stay. Yeah, a little dinghy tomorrow, innit? Yeah, when we come across the big Fred Oulson ferry coming towards us. So I'm looking forward to it. Driving a boat, but never done it before. The first time for everything. Believe it or not, we're actually motoring along in this ferry. See in the background there, a little boat. Just pan you around so you can see this little boat. Just see it in the distance, just up here. What we do now, we're going to go back through and have a look at the ferry inside. There's loads of spare seats in here, and I'll be honest, it looks very comfortable as well. See loads of room in here. Loads of room, loads of seats. It reminds me of the Isle of Man steel packet, this. There's a lot more empty seats here. There is an upstairs area, but that's for the top end travellers. The suites, I think it is a suite up there. I know, let's have a look. There's a bit of a gift shop. There. Go up and down. There's quite a few TVs in here. There's a well-stocked gift shop. Now let's see if we can see where coffees are and sandwiches or something. I feel a bit pecky if you had no breakfast today. Have a look. Pizza. I think we want a coffee or something. What do you think? Coffee? Sandwich? They don't do bacon. They don't bacon, but for sure. Let's have a look. Let's have a look and see what they do. Sandwiches. Can't really see that, can you? What's in it?
A continuación, rogamos a los pasajeros con vehículo a bordo de la zona 1, 2, 3 y 4 acudir.
Well, just coming into Gomera now. I think the boat's turning round. Yeah. Oh, it wasn't too bad. We don't need it. Well, it's quite warm actually, so I don't think we needed jackets or long trousers or anything for this trip. The time is currently just spinning around. Let's have a look. 10:24, so it's taken us 50-55 minutes to get over, so it's not been too bad. It's a nice tranquil place, Gomera. There's a statue up on the mountain up there. Just zoom in. Go. Anyone know? Put a comment in the comments box. Let us know what that statue represents or what it is.
I think it's Jesus.
No. See what the viewers say. Here where we disembarked at where the gate is. Seems to be a few people over there. Yeah, a few people over there went to disembark. So air conditioning. Oh, we're disembarking now. Oh, bit of congested area. Here we go. Now we're looking for our exit point now. You see, middle they said. But just fanning around. Loads. Oh, look at the queue. Oh, got some beverages. You can see those. Let's have a look now. See where we're going. We're in the queue. So you see seating area. There's loads of seating. Very, very comfortable this boat. Very comfortable. We'll probably have to show our passport. So when we get off, get on the coach, we'll put the video back up. Well, that's us disembarked and heading towards into the terminal. I think we'll look for coach number 69, I think. But I tell you something, it's nice temperature here today. We've got to walk down here, I think. I think it's down here. Bus. Well, it says bus. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so definitely didn't need any coats or anything. Some other people got on the coach and they had jackets on, and I thought I was starting to get a bit worried. Been there before, haven't we? I'm like Windermere, got on a ferry with just shorts and a t-shirt on. My God, it was freezing. Had to sit next to the funnels to keep warm. Anyway, let's pan you around. Let's have a look, see what we get up to. We need to find Coach 69. Strange. Oh yeah, we are. Can see coaches now. Number 69, she said. She said, look for me, Coach 69. Oh, right there. We found it. We found it. Come on. Let's see what we get up to now. It's a nice coach actually, isn't it? I hope the aircon works on this one. Anyway, let's get on and see what's what on this coach, yeah? Well, we're on the coach. The most important is the aircon's not working. Whew. I'll take that off, I think. Anyway, we're going to carry on this video as the day goes on. It's going to be a pretty long video, so we'll go around the island on the coach. How to get some nice places, nice views, some scenic views, and we'll take you along with us. Keep watching for more content.